Welcome to The Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here today. Listen, if you're a focused learner looking to adapt and really thrive in today's incredibly fast-paced tech landscape, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're laying out the ultimate blueprint for mastering artificial intelligence. And honestly, here is the absolute best part. We're doing this without spending a single dime. We are literally saving you the thousands of dollars that most boot camps charge. We're going to map out exactly how you can harness world-class resources to build highly in-demand skills entirely for free.
Okay, let's dive into this and tackle the biggest myth in tech education right now. On one hand, you've got these incredibly intimidating barriers, right? $2,000 boot camps, massively expensive university degrees, and heavy financial commitments that just make learning feel totally out of reach for most of us. But the reality of 2026 is entirely different. We are living in a golden age of information where 100% free, world-class resources are available to anyone with a Wi-Fi connection. You do not need to empty your bank account to master this tech. You just need self-paced practice and the right map.
And here is that map for our journey today. First, why learn AI now? Second, gathering your core prerequisites. Third, the best free learning platforms. Fourth, your 6-week learning roadmap. Fifth, beginner mistakes to avoid. And finally, number 6, unlocking future AI opportunities.
Section 1. Why learn AI now? The ultimate skill multiplier.
And this brilliantly illustrates just how broad the impact is. Across healthcare, education, finance, robotics, software development, content creation, AI is fundamentally reshaping workflows everywhere. It really doesn't matter what field you're in right now or what field you want to go into. Learning AI empowers you to automate all those repetitive tasks, solve incredibly complex problems, and elevate your core work. It's basically a superpower, the ultimate tool for augmenting your own human potential across literally every single professional field imaginable.
Section 2. Gathering your core prerequisites. What you actually need to start. To kick things off, you only need a computer, or actually even just a smartphone works, a stable internet connection, and basic computer skills. That is the whole shebang for hardware. But your true secret weapons for success here, they're curiosity, consistency, and a real willingness to practice. I'm talking directly to you here. If you bring a resilient mindset and a deep hunger to learn, you already possess the most important tools required to cross the finish line.
Defining the unknown. Demystifying the jargon.
First up, we've got machine learning. You can think of this as the foundational building block for pretty much all advanced AI topics today. Very simply put, it's how AI systems recognize patterns and learn from data without you having to explicitly program every single rule. You just feed the system data, and it learns the underlying patterns all on its own. It's the exact same tech that magically knows what show you want to binge watch next on Netflix.
Then we have NLP, or natural language processing. This is the magic that allows AI systems to process, understand, and even generate human language. When you type a question into a modern chatbot or talk to a digital voice assistant, NLP is what allows that machine to actually understand your words and formulate a coherent, natural-sounding response.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is generative AI. This is the absolute cutting-edge creative tool that is revolutionizing modern workflows right now. Instead of just analyzing existing data, generative AI uses what it's learned to create entirely new content from scratch. We're talking about drafting a highly detailed email, generating a stunning visual image, or even writing functional computer code just like that. Section 3. The best free learning platforms. World-class education for exactly $0.
Let's move to and see how this builds your toolkit. Your mentors on this journey are the companies building the future: Google, Microsoft, IBM, and they're offering their internal training for anyone to access. You can literally take OpenCourseWare from Harvard and MIT, or join community platforms like Kaggle, FreeCodeCamp, and use the free audit options on Coursera and edX. Guys, this is an absolute treasure trove of resources. It ranges from easy beginner video lectures all the way up to incredibly advanced interactive lessons.
But hey, having the resources is only half the battle, right? Learning actually happens through practice. Passive watching simply isn't going to cut it. Unfortunately, you can't learn to code just by putting a textbook under your pillow at night. The real trials begin when you close the video lecture and actively start experimenting with the data, prompting the chatbots, and generating those images. You have to build small projects and eventually tie them together to create a portfolio that proves exactly what you can do.
And as you practice, there are some essential everyday tools you really need to get familiar with. Things like writing assistants, coding environments, image generation software, presentation designers, automation platforms, and robust research tools. Now, please don't let this list overwhelm you. Simply learning how to responsibly use just one or two of these tools in your day-to-day routine will yield immediate, massive improvements to your personal productivity. Section 4. Your 6-week learning roadmap. The trials of practice. Okay, so week 1 is all about grasping those high-level AI fundamentals. Then in week 2, you're going to dive into basic Python programming, which is basically the universal language of AI. Week 3, you explore those core machine learning concepts we defined a minute ago. Week 4 is highly practical. You'll be practicing your prompt writing and experimenting with various AI tools. By week 5, you achieve the ultimate boon. You build your very first working AI project. And finally, in week 6, you organize that work into a portfolio and set your trajectory for continuous learning. This roadmap will literally take you from conceptual confusion in week 1 straight to confident creation in just a month and a half.
Section 5. Beginner mistakes to avoid. Don't fall into the traps.
The biggest trap in the tech community is what we call tutorial hell. It's where you feel like you're learning because you're binge-watching all this great content, but you retain almost nothing. As a focused learner, you absolutely must prioritize getting your hands dirty and building small, hands-on projects. So, the crucial point is knowing the pitfalls. Trying to learn everything all at once will only burn you out. Giving up after a few difficult lessons, that robs you of the breakthrough that is usually just around the corner. Ignoring fundamental concepts means your advanced knowledge will have zero foundation to stand on. And copying projects without actually understanding them only cheats your own development. True progress comes from consistent, deliberate learning. And there are no shortcuts here, folks, only steady steps forward. Section 6. Unlocking future AI opportunities. Your ultimate reward. Just imagine the doors that open when you complete this roadmap. You can apply these high-value skills directly into software development, data analysis, content creation, business automation, education, research, you name it. Picture yourself working as an empowered freelancer, a much faster developer, or a highly efficient entrepreneur. By mastering these free tools, you don't just learn a subject. You give yourself the ability to seamlessly adapt to technological evolution in whatever career path you choose.
So, here's the game plan. Start learning today. Practice every day, build real skills, keep growing. Remember, this entire journey requires absolutely zero budget. It relies purely on your persistence, your curiosity, and your dedication to the roadmap we've just laid out.
This quote summarizes the core thesis of our explainer beautifully. There has never been a better time to learn AI. With high-quality free courses and consistent practice, you can develop valuable knowledge at your own pace. All of those 2026 resources from Harvard, MIT, Google, and Microsoft are sitting there right now, just waiting for you to click enroll. I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. Every single expert in the world, the people building the most advanced AI models out there right now, they all once began as absolute beginners. They had to learn what machine learning meant. They had to write their very first line of Python. They had to take that first step. The map is in your hands, and the path is completely free. Will you start your journey today?